Hi guys, welcome to
Feed Me Good!
Today we'll be making Mumbai's special pulao in a cooker. Yes, we will be making tawa pulao in a cooker because it is super quick and tastes amazing. So let's get started. In a blender jar, take 3 Kashmiri red chilies. I have pre-soaked them and de-seeded them as well to make the blending process easy. Add 1 inch of ginger, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic and blend it well. In a pressure cooker, we will add 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 bay leaf and let the jeera crackle. Then we will add 1 cup of chopped onions, saute the onions till it turns golden. Once our onions turn golden, add our blended chili garlic paste. Saute this for 1 minute. Then add 1.5 cups of roughly chopped tomatoes. We will cook the tomatoes till they turn mushy. After sauteing the tomatoes for a minute, I will also add salt to cook the tomatoes faster. Once the tomatoes are mushy and the oil separates a bit, we will add 1 cup of diced potatoes, half a cup of green peas, 2 tablespoons of grated beetroot, 3/4 cup of capsicum, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, 1 teaspoon of my secret masala. The link is in the description section and in the comment section. 2 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala. The link to the same is also in the description section and in the comment section. Mix everything and cook it for 2 minutes on a low to medium flame. Then we will add half a cup of pre-soaked rice. I have soaked this for about 20 to 25 minutes. In case you do not want to use pre-soaked rice, that is fine. It will just not fluff up as well. The rest will remain the same. We will mix this gently. We do not want to break our basmati rice. Then add approximately 3/4 cup of water. The amount of water depends on the rice you are using. Different qualities of rice absorb water differently, so add accordingly. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. This helps the rice grains to separate. Then we will add 3 tablespoons of butter. This is quite important for tawa pulao. You can skip it if you want, but we highly recommend it. Now we will mix everything gently to avoid breaking our rice granules. Once it starts coming to a boil, we will cover our pressure cooker with the lid. Make sure you put the whistle as well. We will cook our tawa pulao for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, we will turn off the flame and let the cooker depressurize by itself. Check for the pressure and then open the lid once the pressure is released. It will look a bit wet as of now. Just mix it gently and cover it again. We will leave this for about 7 to 8 minutes. Then we will open the lid and serve our tawa pulao. We did not have to boil the rice separately, boil the potatoes separately and then make this. That is one of the reasons it is super quick, and as you can see, it is absolutely delicious. So you can enjoy tawa pulao without putting it that much of effort. Do let us know what you think about this recipe. We await your recipe suggestions in the comment section below, so please let the suggestions flow.